These days, survival of the fittest is defined by boiling dust, tumbling rocks, and deep tracks no other vehicle can even hope to follow. It's what happens when you let a group of professional hunters loose on a newly designed Chevy Silverado pickup. Introducing the latest Texas Trophy Hunter Special Edition truck. From the Duramax diesel engine to customized suspension, it can take you away from the world of pavement and far beyond the boundaries of the roughest terrain anywhere. Available now only at Henna Chevrolet.